Good evening and namaskar. Today we will look at an electric appliances company, Orient Electric Limited. Orient Electric is a premier electric appliances manufacturing company. Management is headed by Chandrakant Birla, Chairman, Desh Deepak Khetrawal, Vice Chairman, Rakesh Khanna, Managing Director and CEO. Manufactures all sorts of electrical appliances and it has been improving in the recent past. We will look at the quarterly results first. Net sales for Q3 FY21 is 618 crores against 434 crores in the previous quarter, that is Q2, and 496 crores in Q3 of last year. 618 crores in Q3, which is 24.74% growth year on year and 43% growth quarter on quarter. The net profit is 51.94 crores in Q3 against 32.42 crores in Q2 against 19 crores in Q3 of last year, which means profit margins have improved wonderfully. 173% improvement in profit margins, net profit margins. 60% quarter on quarter improvement in net profit. Sales have improved well in Q3 and net profit also has improved very well. Net profit has improved much more than sales margins, therefore net profit margins are much higher. Equity is static at 21.22 crores. Basic EPS is 2.45 on a face value of ₹1. Market price is around 275. Price earning is not low. It is at around 28. 52-week range, 145 is the lowest, 296.6 is the highest. Now 274.7, it is very close to 52-week high. Volumes are reasonably good, 2,37,000. Face value is ₹1. So Q3 performance has been very good. Q2 was also not bad. It was reasonably good. Q2 and Q3 have improved very well. If you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters pledge is around 12.79% at the end of the December quarter. Promoters holding is around 38.52%. Mutual funds have increased their holdings slightly, 17.83% to 19.98%. FIAs have increased their holding from 6.05 to 7.53. So Q3 performance has been very good. Q2 was also not bad. Now let us also take a look at the annual results, last 5 years results. Briefly. Net sales are 2,062 crores in March 20 year. Previous year, March 19, 1,864 crores and March 18, 1,599 crores, like that. So, sales have been improving very well during the last 3-4 years. Orient has been improving its tally. Net profit 78.62 crores in March 20 year, 69.31 crores in the previous year, that is March 19 year, 64 crores in March 18 year, like that, earlier also. Equity is 21.22 crores, reserves are gradually improving, latest is 338 crores, equity dividend also they are giving slightly more and more every year, now 115% last year. 100% previous year, only 50% still earlier year. So results have been improving during the last 3-4 years and last 2 quarters it has improved very well. Equity dividend performance also is quite good. They are improving the dividend. Price performance is not to the level that we talk of multi-baggers. But now, with the improved performance, let us see whether it could be a multi-bagger. So, company with the strong financial, high TTM, that is trailing 12 months EPS growth, net profit and net profit margins have been increasing quarter on quarter and year on year. Company with low debt, revenue has been increasing, profits have been increasing in the last 2 quarters especially. Annual net profits also have been increasing in the last 2 years. Book value has been increasing during the last 2 years. Promoters' pledge is coming down. FIIs, we have seen, FIIs holding has been increasing. But ROCE was declining in the last 2 years. ROE has been declining. Cash flows are not that great. Now, how was the last quarter and how will be the future quarters? Now, consumer demand during the last 2 quarters has been heightened for all types of home appliances in the wake of increased home working, work from home. There is a strong pent-up support demand and festival season also in the last quarter, therefore encouraging offtake in the last quarter. Supply chain also has shifted from small scale and unorganized sectors to larger established brands like Orient Electric. Commodity prices have registered a steep increase, and now these people also want to increase the prices of their product, but they said they will increase it in Q4. See, the dealers know that it is going to increase from Q4, therefore they have started stocking in the Q3 itself at the lower prices. So that is also one reason for higher offtake. So momentum has been going up in all product segments. B2C retail businesses has registered steep growth. Fans, water, heaters, small kitchen appliances, consumer luminaires, everything was dominant. Others also good. Premium products also are making a comeback. Earlier it was not there. So we have seen 25% revenue growth, healthy bottom line, 175% growth. So operating margin expansion by 4.5%. So all these things are good. The quarterly performance is good, 9 months performance also has been good. Profit after tax margin is 8.4%. It has improved from 3.8% and 4.6% in the earlier quarters. But gross margin has been contracting year on year and sequentially also because of the change of segment mix and product mix also. The input cost has been increasing. So that is putting a bit of pressure. Employee cost has come down year by 9% and other expenses reduced by 16%, enabled by rapid digitalization and process transformation. So everybody is doing that now because work from home is there. People are trying to digitize all sorts of processes. So EBITDA, firm control on expenses was there, so EBITDA has improved, operating margins improved by 450 basis points. Finance cost has come down by 30% year on year. And quarter on quarter also it has come down slightly. Income tax, the company has opted for lower corporate tax. So tax incidence also has come down. So working capital also has come down because of good inventory planning increased collections and channel financing coupled with the restructuring of vendor terms. All these have allowed Orient Electric to reduce their working capital from 60 days to last year to 18 days in the latest quarter. So when the working capital days are reduced, cash conversion cycle also has come down very well. Net debt position, gross borrowings have come down to 15 crores, cash and bank balance is around 170 crores, net debt is 155 crores, minus 155 crores. So outlook, higher recovery rate because of the virus infection, etc. There now virus infection second. Now I think now it is positive. Whatever the last year position, that has changed now. So two vaccines have come, and that has given rise to a lot of confidence. So let us see. I think it will improve well. There is a greenfield project for manufacturing capacity expansion in South India that is likely to be over by Q1 FY22. That's what they say. Groundbreaking will be done by Q1 FY22. Company is further increasing its efforts for working capital reduction. So a lot of good things are happening, but some headwinds are also there. But more than the headwinds, now see, people are shifting their attention from unorganized sector to the organized sector. If that takes place, it will be very good. Now fans, bulbs everywhere. So this is happening. Orient registered healthy growth across all categories for fans. So margins have improved. Home appliances also is registering very good growth. Retail Connect programs have been launched by Orient Electric. Therefore, operating margins have expanded very well. So lighting, switchgear, LED lamps, everywhere there is growth. B2B only is remaining sluggish. Business to business, because that depends upon other businesses improving. They are slowly improving. When they improve well, Orient Electric also will improve well. Their projects should come up. That is, other businesses, other manufacturing units, if their projects start, Orient Electric also will supply them well. Thank you for listening. Oriental Electric is expecting to remain buoyant in the coming quarters also. Let us see. But one factor that they have said is people have stocked at lower rates, expecting higher prices in Q4. So that one factor is a negative factor. So all other factors are okay. But in a growing India like India, electrical appliances will be required. Quality appliances will be there from Orient Electric. And I think all Indians should start preferring Indian manufactured goods in preference to foreign manufactured goods. That's what I also feel. So if that happens more and more, Orient Electric will stand to gain. Thank you for listening.